I'm back. I'm back with another video, and I'm super excited to bring you guys this one. Now, I've been getting a lot of comments, an absurd amount of comments, and people in my Instagram DMs asking tons of amazing questions, as well as asking me to drop some kind of education program that is going to allow you guys to get more in depth on your agency. And now, I hate to be this guy, honestly, and this is why this will be the only video that I ever make about something along these lines. Now, I want you guys to know before we break down what we're about to go into, I want you to understand that this is not something that I'm saying that you necessarily need to have in order to be successful. What I'm saying is I built an education program that is going to allow you to see the in-depths and be given more software and techniques that you can use in order to scale your clients to, bigger numbers. Now, I'm not going to guarantee your success. I'm going to tell you exactly all the systems and the foundation that we built in this course, but it is not going to be a guaranteed success. And I have to be the person that tells you that, without a strong motivation, without a strong disciplined mind and the ability to sit, focus, and work 10, 20 hours a day, then you're most likely not going to succeed in this industry. This industry is not necessarily easy, but with this course, I hope and I pray that this course actually does give you a little bit better insight and allows you to navigate through the agency and the business model in itself a whole lot easier. Now, this is going to be attached to a Discord group. So this Discord group is going to be 100% free, and it's going to allow me to connect with you guys, as well as you guys can discuss all of your thoughts, your ideas, and just having some kind of OnlyFans group out there where you can join, ask questions, learn. I'll be in there answering questions, this and that. So if this is something that you're interested in, you can join the Discord, and it's going to be 100% free. But if it's something that you're interested in digging deeper, which in the information that I'm actually going to go into this video, then feel free. There's going to be a little tab on there that says join our team. If you click that, it'll take you to the website, and then you can go from there, and you'll automatically, once you purchase, you'll have automatic access to all of this, as well as you also have access to a private group chat where only the higher class individuals are, as well as ranking on you on how you are. So let's say you're making $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month. There's going to be separate group chats for you so that you can speak to other individuals of your kind. So let's go a little bit into what you're going to be receiving if you do intend on purchasing. So you're going to get the basic foundation. All right, this is just welcome to the Fans Flow Education. You're going to hear about the story, the entirety of my story with the OnlyFans Management Agency, the business model, the six-figure formula, and the user interface, how to use the platform. Systems and processing. You're going to learn how to automate payments without using Stir, without using any of the main systems that everybody uses. We actually have, it's very cool. We have very cool systems in place that we use that goes about automatically splitting payments to all of your clients, so where you don't have to do anything. I'm a very systemized person. I like everything being run for me, using different platforms. And the platform that we use for automating payments is absolutely and utterly awesome. It'll do everything for you. You don't even have to touch it, and they don't even take a fee. So it's awesome. You're going to be able to see the database and command center that we use in order to keep the entire agency's workflow nice and smooth and organized as well. You're going to learn another platform or software that we use that allows you personally to stay organized and keep on track, and as well as your team. You're going to learn the contract software that we use to send out electronic signatures to all of our clients with the contract that will be provided. You will learn the software that we use to have weekly meetings with all of our clients that can be connected with Zoom with a free plan. So you will have unlimited Zoom calls, and you can use this software that will automatically send them emails. It will connect to your calendar. It will connect to a ton of different things. This software is absolutely and utterly awesome. We use it, and it allows the client to pick a time when they want to meet, and then they can schedule a multitude of them, down the time that you're going to be working with them, and then you'll have that meeting every single time. It'll automatically send them a Zoom link. It's absolutely awesome. Storing and requesting content. A lot of people just use like Dropbox, or they'll use Mega or iPhone cloud sharing, and it's a hassle and it's unprofessional, right? So we actually use a specific platform that allows us to send essentially just a little file share that titles everything that they need. So let's say they need one script, and then like 10 pics. Does that make sense? It's going to show them what they need, and then they're going to drag it, or they're going to be able to click on it and drop it into that specific little file, and it's going to have a percentage of how much that the model has completed. It's super awesome, and it's way better than any of the other platforms that people are using currently. Now, on top of that, we also have the OnlyFans workflow, which is a platform that we use that can be integrated with OnlyFans, that shows you, how much every person has sent. It's going to mark up the vault for all the content that you've already sent. If it's been paid for, how much it's been paid for. You're going to get more in-depth analytics. You're going to have the ability to send out priority messages, automated messages, all sorts of things. And it is a super awesome platform that I believe every agency should have. It's been able to increase our revenue upwards of almost 100%. It's absolutely and utterly such an amazing platform, and it's just an extension. It's awesome. So going into the building your team section, you're going to learn how I built my team, and maybe you can use that as inspiration on how you should go about building your team. We're going to go into how you can build your own team. The services that you're going to be able to provide, and the techniques that we use, that we're able to bring in well over 300,000 engagement every single day for our models, and bring them upwards of $30,000 within the first month. Instagram and account setups using mother-slave method, which is just going to be the basic foundation. We don't use Instagram. Now, where our real sauce is Twitter leveraging, which is a technique that we go into super in-depth that allows us to actually scale our models hundreds of thousands of impressions, and it's absolutely and utterly insane. I'll break down the TikTok method that we use as well. For your chatters, we're just going to go over the basics. We're going to go over the copywriting. We're going to go over the systemized scripts. We're going to go over different games that you can play, all to utilize every single one of your fans to make the most money out of them possible. How you go about finding clients, right? The best type of model to work with. Using your personal network. There's telegrams where you can actually buy models. And another section, a little special section for verified creators, that is going to allow you to find models extremely easily and extremely fast. This is actually the method that we used. Bonuses, how you're going to go about paying your employees, different interviews that I've had so you can land better models. You're going to get the contract for the models. Now, when it comes to actually scaling in the agency, you're going to learn about how to expand properly so your foundation doesn't collapse, building partnerships, and how to keep a strong foundation. So if you lose clients, you'll still be good in the end. Now, it's broken down in pretty much every single thing that you would need. There's a lot of platforms and software that we actually use that we will never make public, that will be, simply stuck into the course. Now, over a span of time, I do plan on releasing tons of amazing OnlyFans information, management information. And like I said, this isn't something that you absolutely need in order to be successful. But what I am saying is this system alone has been able to generate over hundreds of thousands of dollars in the last few months. Right? It's a great course, and I'm never going to bring it up in any other video ever again. I will link you guys to my Discord, of course. If you do want access to the Discord and potentially this, it's going to be linked in the description directly below. Feel free to join, chop it up, see how it's going, and then if you end up wanting to join, then feel free. But If there's anything that you guys also would like in this that you would like me to break down to help you give a better understanding on how the agency works and how to go more in depth on and scale your clients to bigger and better numbers, then you can always ask questions in the Discord. But other than that, the Discord is going to be in the link directly below. I will see you guys with another video here in about 5 days, and I promise you this course will never be mentioned again. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and see ya.